Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for joining us. Today we are playing a random, unedited game, and I'm going to try my best to explain what my thought process is. As always, I've got more tips listed in some videos below. This is my favorite video, Solitaire Complete Tip Guide. Be sure to check that out if you haven't already. Let's go ahead and get started here. Now, as a general rule, I like to go for the columns first, draw pile second, and of course save insurance or early cards in the draw pile as insurance. We're going to play this ace of diamonds. Okay, we're going to play this ace of hearts. And we'll play this deuce of hearts. Now, oh, that's a good card for us. That gives us a couple options. There are two black 10s if you haven't noticed already. We're going to wait. We're going to play this 8 first. We're going to play the 7 of clubs next. And now we're going to take a look at both these options. We may not play either unless, of course, one of these opens up the column. We'll play the 10 of spades first, and we'll use the undo button should it dead in there. Okay, that's the ace of clubs. We can play that. Okay, interesting. That was a 7. There was also a 7 here, I think. So we may want to consider leaving that 7 there and then playing that 7 to open up a column, but we don't know yet. Let's see what we have here. Again, we want to try to open up the column so we can play king. So let's see what's under this 10. Queen, okay, we can play that. And we can play this queen. The question is there anything? Okay, so that's another option. That's an enticing option. The other option we had, of course, is we could play this, and then if we took the other 7 back, we could play that too. So something to think about there. So I'm going to hold off in the 7. Let's see what we have here. Was there a 9? There wasn't a 9 in this one, was there? Oh, it was just, okay. There was not. Okay, the 8 is the first card. We happen to pull an 8, I think, from one of these cards. So, something to consider. Typically, this first card, you want to have it as an insurance card. We may want to go back and do that. Let's see what we have here. Let's just go through. We can play the 6. We can play this 3. Either way, we'll play it up top. We can always bring it down. Red Jack. Oh, this is where it gets tricky. If we play this Red Jack, we can move this Black 10. The other variation was to play that, and then that goes to there. We're going to try this Red Jack and see what's under this 10. That was the ace of clubs, right? Okay. Oh, there was the 2 Jack moves, the 1 10 and the other one. So we're going to play the queen. And we will play this ace of clubs right here. Now we're going to open up, instead of playing the 7, we're going to open up this column here, should we need it later. 6 of diamonds we can play. We're trying to create as many moves as possible. Again, it's always tricky as far as what moves are the best. And sometimes you don't know until after the fact. But let's just go through again here. Oh, so we've got that king opened up. We'll play it. And we need to find a move. We have this 4 we can play. We can also play the 9. We just need a black. Oh, we do have a black 8. So this black 8 is going to be our insurance card in just a minute. And you'll see what I'm thinking ahead of time here. So we're going to drop this 4. And this 9 should drop on the next time around. So we're going to go through again. And this 9 drops right here. We have a 7 here, which is kind of good. Should we be able to get it out? We will, because we can drop this deuce if we need to. And then we can move this 6 over here. That's something to consider the next time around, which is coming pretty shortly. This 8 is not the move we want. This 8 is the move we want. Oh, yeah, and we can move this 5 and the 4. Oh, that's great. Okay, let's see if there's another move behind this. We're going to save this as insurance, and it may be our first move, but we don't know yet. We're going to play the next cards. Can't play the 4. Can't play the 9. We can play the ace. Okay. Yeah, we can play that. Okay, so we're going to play the 8 is going to be the first card we play. This 8 of clubs right here. Now it gets tricky. I think there was a 5. There's a 5 underneath that. Oh, there's a 5 right here. So there's 2 5s. Oh, we can play both of 5s actually. We're going to play the 4 hearts up here. This 5 of hearts is going to drop, and we're going to play it up top here, and then we'll play the 5 diamonds after that. So hopefully I'm not talking too fast here. We're going to get this ace of spades, maybe. If we only play one card, we can get the ace of spades too. So we'll play the ace of spades, then we'll play the sequence with the 5 of hearts that I talked about. And then, of course, we can play this 2 of spades as well. So going through again, kind of hold off on this because we want to play the ace of spades first. And then we can play this queen. Okay, that's good. Now we can play the 2 of spades. And lo and behold, we have 2 different 7 of diamonds. Since they're so close together, it doesn't make a difference which one we play. If they were further apart, you'd want to play the 7 of hearts first, because it would affect how the draw pile is reset. But these cards are so close together, there's no impact. So the big question is, what's underneath this 6 of clubs right here? Let's find out. 2 of clubs, that's good. We can put it up top. And this jack we can move as well. Jack of clubs can move under the queen. 3 of clubs we can move up top. We have an open column should we find a king somewhere. We can also move this 4 of clubs up top later. Okay, let's look through here. Again, this 5 of hearts sequence is going to be the next move, and I think I've described what I'm going to do here, but we'll go through one more time here. I think we're going to play the 5 of hearts, and then there's nothing, there's nothing behind there. Well, the 4 of clubs is behind there, but we'll play the 5 of diamonds first. So we're going to play this 5 of diamonds right here. We'll play the 4 of spades, and maybe there's something, okay, that's good, that's a king, we can move that. We need a black queen, so we can move this jack over here. We don't know where the black queen is, the other one anyway. Let's move this red 10. And that's good. We can move spades up. We can move 4 of spades up, 5 of spades. We're going to hold off on the 6 of spades because we want to move this 4 of clubs up. I believe we may change our mind later though. 6 of hearts. Oh no, we can do both those moves. Let's go back here. We can move the 6 of clubs, spades up, sorry. Because we can go 6 of hearts, 7 of hearts, 4 of clubs, and I think we're getting very close to solving this here. So there's a real good move here. I don't know if you can see this. You may want to hit pause just so you can see this move. If not, I'll show you in just a second here. So just hit pause if you don't see the move. Okay. We're going to move a bunch of these cards up top. We're going to open up this column. Now, how do we open up this column? Well, we need to move this 6 of diamonds under a different card, right? We want to move the 7 of spades up. We can't move it up because the 6 of diamonds is in the way. All you need to do is move the 6 of diamonds underneath the 7 of clubs. So 6 of diamonds goes here. 7 of spades goes up top. And now we can put the 8 of spades up top. We can also put the 8 of hearts up top. We're going to need the 3 of diamonds at some point, of course. But our first priority, of course, is to get the 7 of clubs column open. We're going to move it under the 8 of diamonds. That's good. Oh, 5 of clubs is good and not good, because we can move this 4 of diamonds should we need to, but we don't know yet unless you can remember if there was a 3 of diamonds in here somewhere. I'm going to move the 5 of clubs up here, but I can also move it down if I need to. There's the 3 of diamonds we were looking for. That's really good. Really, really good. And then, oh, that's a perfect card for us. Let's move this 4 of diamonds up, 5 of diamonds, 6 of diamonds. We'll move 6 of diamonds, or clubs, and 7 of clubs up. We're also going to move these other diamonds, 7 of 8 of diamonds up. Move the 8, 9, and 10 of clubs up. And of course we can move the 9 of diamonds and the 10 of diamonds up. That's really good. Let's see what we have. Oh, we just have the 9 of spades left. And now the tricky part is there's like 4 cards underneath here. We need to be able to solve this. So we're going to try our best. One of them, of course, is a king. Let's see, one's a king. One should be like the 9 of hearts. And I think... yeah, let's see what else. There might be another 9 in there as well. Jack of spades is not good, but it's not horrible. There's a move. If you remember correctly earlier, we have 2 blackjacks, the jack of spades and the jack of clubs. We want the jack of clubs up top. All we need to do is take the 10 of hearts, put it here, put the jack of clubs up there, and now we have narrowed it down to 3 more cards. That is a tougher card right there. That is not a card I want to see, actually. But I think we still have it. We still have it here. We still have this. We have the jack of diamonds up top. Now we need to move a red queen. Look at this. We got 2 red queens. We just need to move the queen of diamonds up top. All we need to do, of course, is move this jack of spades over here. Queen of diamonds goes up top, and the queen of hearts goes here. And that is the perfect card, and that allows us to solve the game right there. And of course, that is going to wrap this up. I am signing out. Thank you for watching, and good luck.